We are going to take a look at a 2014 Lissmac SBM-M 1500 deburring and de-slagging machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Lissmac SBM-M 1500 removes slag and burr on all inside and outside edges of plasma and oxy fuel cut parts. A single dry pass simultaneously processes the top and bottom, inside and outside edges all at once. It has a 1500 millimeter or 59-inch width capacity and a 0.04 to 0.79 inch thickness capacity. The load capacity is 660 pounds, while the feed speed is infinitely variable from 0 to 13 feet per minute.